Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie, and if you're new here, please take a look around and hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is another studio vlog. I'm actually in the middle of doing summer art camps. This is my first week of summer art camps. I have 4 weeks of summer art camps with kids, and this is week 1. I'm gonna take you into the classroom. We'll take a walk over here into the classroom and I will show you what they have been up to. In the classroom, they have been doing stained glass. We have explored watercolor. So we did color exploration on Monday and then created stained glass, faux stained glass with alcohol markers. On Tuesday, we did watercolor exploration where they painted with water and then added the color to it. After they dried, we added some line work and some detail and made them pop. They also painted a tree, and yesterday they came in and actually added all the line work. We did some abstract watercolors. Today, which is Thursday, we have worked on doing collage and adding line work to collage. There's another collage up there. We also learned to paint a sunset yesterday. Or no, this was Tuesday. So we started out with yellow, added orange, and then blended the paint all the way up. And yeah, so it's been fun. This is the classroom. And we are actually going to cut up all this paper tomorrow to use in our mixed media canvas. They're going to create a head. I've been cutting all the shapes out. So they have their hair, the head, the neck, and the shirt. So they'll cut all these different pieces. We did mono printing and more collage. So it's been a fun week. I'm gonna flip it back around. All right, it's been a fun week in class doing art camps. The first week has given me some ideas on exactly how we're gonna do all of the art camps. They're all gonna be the same. So there's the morning session, which is ages 7 and up. Afternoon session, which is 12 and up. So it's a good mix of children and teenagers, and yeah, it's been fun. So yeah, I've added some new things in the studio, in my kitchen. Let's see if I can flip you around. Nope, I'm gonna have to flip you around in a second. Here you go. I've added some new things in my kitchen. I now have a coffee maker. I have my air fryer, my water for my coffee, teapot, and a microwave. I had a friend give me this with the little microwave cart. So yeah, this has been an absolute blessing to have, because now I can have hot meals because in my old studio, I was close enough to town that I could actually get lunch, but now I'm not. Yeah. Now I'm not close to town. Well, I am. I'm still in town, but when it comes to going to get lunch, I have to drive. So I am not doing that. So now here's my other room that I'm gonna show you some pieces that I'm gonna work on. I have been inspired by a few different people on how they are redoing furniture in really bright colors, and it's fun. So I had someone who gifted me some furniture and I'm gonna try it out. So here we go, I'll show you. This is a vintage nail tech station. At least that's what I think it is. It's got really cool drawers and drawer pulls, and it just needs to be cleaned up. I may not do much with it except maybe sand down this veneer and put another coat on the top. Or I may just put some contact paper on top of it. I don't know. This one's gotta be secured a little bit more on the leg. The leg's gotta be secured, it's a little wobbly. And it needs another drawer pull, but I like the detail of it. This, you know, I'm gonna have fun with this one. And then this one isn't old. you know, it's just a sofa table, but it's gonna be a great display piece for in the gallery area, and I'm going to paint it. It's just, you know, inexpensive furniture. It's not, it is solid wood, but this is more of a veneer. So I'm just gonna paint it. Maybe, I don't know, clean it up. It's got ball feet. I just think it's cool. And then she gifted me a couple of IKEA stools. So yeah. The IKEA stools are not gonna be repainted. I'm gonna use those just to give me some extra seating in here. I'm trying to do everything in the studio pretty much on a budget, trying to reinvest in supplies and reinvest in new products and things like that. And yeah, so that's what I'm working on. So I will see you soon.